In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add keywords and metadata in Adobe Bridge. Keywords and metadata are the backbone of a fast, reliable photo organization system. Keywords help you search and group images instantly, while metadata captures important details like descriptions, usage rights, and camera info. Let's walk through both, step by step, so your library stays organized and easy to manage. Start by opening Adobe Bridge. From the top menu, go to Window. Then choose Keywords. This turns on the Keywords panel, which you'll see on the right side of your screen. At the bottom of that panel, click the plus button to add new keyword terms. Keep these clear and meaningful so they're easy to reuse. If you want structure, build a hierarchy by creating sub-keywords. For example, you might create a top-level category like places and nest specific locations under it, such as London. This keeps related terms grouped and makes filtering more intuitive later on. To apply keywords, select one or more images in your content panel. Then simply check the box next to a keyword to tag the selection. If you are working with a batch, hold Shift to select a range, or use Control on Windows or Command on macOS to select multiple individual files. Ticking a keyword with multiple files selected applies it to all of them at once, which is a huge time saver when organizing shoots or collections. Now let's enable metadata tools. Go back to the window menu and choose Metadata. The Metadata panel appears on the right, giving you at a glance fields you can view or edit. For a more complete editor, select one or more files. Then right-click and choose File Info. This opens a comprehensive window where you can add descriptions, rights information, and other relevant details. When multiple files are selected, you may see a hyphen in certain fields that simply indicates the files have different values there. Type a new value to overwrite and unify that field across the entire selection to keep things consistent across projects. Create a reusable metadata template. Go to Tools, then Create Metadata Template. Build a template with information you need to apply repeatedly, such as copyright statements or creator details. Templates help you maintain consistency and save time when preparing large sets of images. With keywords for fast discovery and metadata for clear documentation, your Adobe Bridge workflow becomes smoother, faster, and more reliable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.